Now today, let's start with unit first, the natural world. In this chapter, we will study about chapter number first, desert walk, different desert animals and plants. What you have seen that desert is the area which with little or no vegetation. Desert, it can be hot also and cold also. Here you will see the plants that does not need water, like which have thorns like cacti. Now, let's see one by one. Look at the picture and write the names of plants and animals. Now, first one, Optilo. What it is? It is Optilo. This is the fishes in their swimming speed and they jet about filling their mantle with water and pulsing through their siphon. A Jail squirrel eye can be big as a basketball. जैसे basketball होती है ना इतनी बड़ी होती है. Then we have some member of scallop family. इनके क्या होते हैं dozen of eyes होती है and these eyes help to scallop to detect predator. ये run करती है और climb up करती है. Then we have largest land snail जिसे हम giant African land snail कहते हैं. इसका जो weight है वो 2 pounds तक है और इसकी जो length है वो 15.5 inch. Then boring clams and sink a ship. One of them is misnamed as Teredo shipworm. It is earned by name by running wooden boats. Then they have less than 1 year and they will attack a wooden structure in a water they live in. जो भी wooden structure है जिस water में वो रह रहे हैं उसको क्या करते हैं attack करते हैं. Then we have largest snail known attain a length of 2.5 feet with a girth over a meter. The trumping जो conch है it is Sarnix aeronus lean weight 18 kg मतलब जिसका weight होता है nearly 4 pounds होता है. Then we have ocean quackpook Arctica Icelandica can live to 20 years old. They are colder. They lives in colder water और ये बहुत ज़्यादा longest होते हैं और जो उनका metabolism होता है वो थोड़ा slower होता है. कैसा होता है slower होता है मतलब थोड़ा कम होता है. Now we will start with the next chapter that is chapter number 4 green gossip. A world without plant is running unmeaningly. Plants are the most beautiful of all gifts that the nature has bestowed. They not only beautify our surrounding but also they extremely useful. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे सराउंडिंग को ही ब्यूटिफाई करते हैं इसके साथ साथ ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है हमारे लिए यूजफुल भी है. Which plant gives us chocolates? Chocolate is derived from Theobroma coca tree. Which plant gives us chocolate? That is Theobroma coca tree. Then what is cork? Cork क्या होती है? It is light, thick, elastic, which is used as stopper. इसको हम as a stopper use करते हैं from the outer bark of the tree. Name the another plant other than sugarcane that is a source of sugar. What it is? It is beetroot. What is alfalfa? It is a gar. ये एक grass है of the pea family जो एक fodder plant की तरह grow करती है. Then which plant is good for our heart? That is your garlic, which is very good for our heart. And it is one of the oldest herb. What is saffron? It is known as kesar in Hindi, which is most expensive और ये coloring और flavor के लिए use करा जाता है. Which plant gets our color clothes? Linen, which is made from stems of flax plant. The cotton cloth is made from the soft hair which surrounds the cotton plant seeds. Which acid is extracted from the juice of lemon and oranges? कौन सा acid होता है? That is your citric acid. Answer is given over here. That's why I have not written the answers on the column. You can see from here. Now we have chapter number 5, animal in danger. We have many animals that are endangered. Some are critically endangered. Some are extinct. Some are critically there. Now, International IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, they have classified animal species in terms of their threat of extinction. Its red list have threatened species, जिसको हमने classify करा into threatened species, critically endangered, vulnerable or endangered. Now first is read about some animal species. Like it is a species of small wild pig. Now found only in Manas National Park, जो आपका असम में है. It feeds on roots, insects and small reptiles and its natural habitat has been shrinking. जो इसका natural habitat है वो क्या हो रहा है? Shrink कर रहा है. It is pygmy hawk. Now it is found in United States of America, USA में. It is usually hunt at night. Donald ducks. इसको हम क्या consider करते हैं? As a threat to livestock. And it is therefore extensively hunted. What it is wild, it is red wolf. Then third, it is popularly known own parrot. It is found in New Zealand. Where it is found? In New Zealand. It is world only flightless parrot, the heaviest parrot, nocturnal inhabited, and herbivores. It is also one of the longest living bird. ये one of the longest living bird है. It is kakapo. It is kaka. Popularly called chiru, native है Tibetan plateau का. Its coat is grey to reddish brown. And with the white underside, the male has long horns and legs. They are graceful and can run fast. ये बहुत ज़्यादा graceful होते हैं. And they run fast. They are known as Tibetan antelope. Now they are known as pygmy chimpanzees या dwarf chimpanzees found in wild only Democratic Republic of Congo. Fruits इनकी मेड डाइट होती है और जो हैबिटेट डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है, पोचिंग हो रहा है फॉर द मीट, जिसके लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इज रैपिडली dwindling number. It is known as bongo. It is known as bongo. Then we have largest herbivores mammal with dolphin like tail. ये आपको नॉर्थ कोस्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में देखने को मिलती है. Its food consists primarily sea grasses, dune dawn. Then it is found large. कहाँ पे दिखता है आपको? सर्दर्न साइबेरिया में और मंगोलिया के कुछ पार्ट्स में. ये नॉक्टर्नल इसका हैबिटेट है. इट इज हंटेड फॉर मस्क ग्लैड and which fetches very high prices in the international market. So what it is known as? It is known as your Siberian musk deer. Siberian musk deer. Now, the chapter has been completed. Let's start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 6. Animal species. We have different animal species. There are thousands of animal species in the world. Each one has numerous subspecies. Did you know that there are 6 surviving subspecies of tigers? We have 6 subspecies of tiger which is surviving. Now, the subspecies of some animal are given below. Find the name. You have to find the name. First is brown polar slot black bear. Then musk mule hog or hello. Musk mule hog or hello. What it is? Deer. Royal Bengal, Sumatra, Siberian. ये आपके टाइगर्स हैं. Then we have balin, humpback, blue or spunk. It's whale. बुल, टाइगर, हैमरहेड, ग्रेट वाइट. तो क्या है आपके? शार्क है. SHARK. शार्क. Then 6th strawberry, poisonous dwarf, African dwarf. So what it is? It is your frog. Then we have 7th barn swanny. तो क्या है आपका? owl है. 8th one is loggerhead, leatherback, olive riddle. तो वो क्या है आपका? turtle. कहते हैं ना olive riddle turtle. Then we have 9th Galapagos giant or desert. That is your tortoise. Then 10th one, Bacterium Yardromardi. It is your camis. Then we have 11th Asian or African. Asian of African elephant. 12th is salt water, night, fresh water. That is crocodile. Then we have 30 collard green tree rattle. That is your snake. Then we have 14, Africa or Asiatic. That is your lion. Then we have 15th, your bottle nose, hourglass, dusky होती है, तो ये आपकी क्या है, Ganges river dolphin. 16 is Gento emperor, Gallus pogos or chinsta, penguin. Right? Now our chapter has been completed. Let's start with next chapter, that is chapter number 7, unusual animals. We have different animals. Given below are description of animal found in nature that are extremely rare and they are found in very specific areas of earth. Like first is the large marine mammal. What it is? It is large marine mammal. It is inflatable pouch, इसका attached होता है head से. Enlargement of nasal cavity की वजह से क्या होता है? ये hug down between the eyes and it is not inflated. No one seems to really understand why these animals have this. किसी को नहीं पता कि ये क्यों होता है इनके अंदर. They inflate them, are upset or when they are mated. They are very attractive in the male. They are known as hooded sea. What they are known as? Hooded sea. Then we have, you are familiar with Christian religion, identifying animal will not be difficult. Okay, it is named after 7 deadly signs. Extremely slow, spends most of his life upside down, hanging to the branches. Okay, what are they known as? They are known as sloth. Now, animal is from Amazon and is seen only in Iquitos area. They look like traditional bottlenose, but photographing them underwater has revealed that they are S-shaped and they also have caterpillars near the surface of the skin that gives them fantastic color. और वो ने क्या देता है? Fantastic color. So it is known as pink river. It is known as pink river. Then we should run across the bird in Madrididios. They common, but one of them weirdest flyers hai. They only eat leaves and leaves actually ferment inside their crop, their cell. They have very bad odor. This is why its main protection is from its predator. जिसका protection होता है वो उसके protector किससे होता है? Predator से होता है. What it is known as? It is known as dolphin. Then the strange little creature which is really rodent, which is approximately size of house cat, ये prefer करता है sub-alpine area and prefer food would be the flowering part of alpine bees. ये ज़्यादातर और ये कहाँ रहता है? It lives in Canada only. What it is? Hot soil. What's it? An animal found in dense scrub along the river in Karoo Desert of South Africa. इनकी लो ब्रीडिंग कैपेसिटी होती है. दे आर डिस्टिंक्टिव वाइड रिंग अराउंड, ऐसी वाइट रिंग होती है. ठीक है, इनकी मैं आपको बताया जैसे लो ब्रीडिंग कैपेसिटी होती है. इनकी ब्लैक स्ट्रिप होती है जो रन करती है कॉर्नर ऑफ इट्स माउथ टू इट्स चीक. तो व्हाट इट इज नोन एज? इट इज नोन एज वेंचुवर आइलैंड. Now let's start with chapter number 8, creature of the deep sea. Then we have many creature of this deep sea. Let's study about them.